In this video, we will cover how to clear map and clear marks on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Start Field Operation button. Select the correct growing season and grower. Select the correct farm and field. Select the correct operating configuration from the configurations list. Press the green check mark. Press the Run Screen button found in the bottom left corner of the display. Press the Map Options button. Press the View Marks button. From this screen, we can press Clear Map to permanently remove all log data from the active field operation, or Clear Marks to permanently remove all mapped marks from the active field. We have now covered how to clear map and clear marks on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.